What's good, everybody? This is your girl, Bella J, and it is day 21 of the 30-day challenge. I hope you liked yesterday's upload. It was a great reveal for me, and you got a snippet of what I'm dealing with, and I just love those moments where we could share together. Before we continue, I needed to be... I didn't know anyone... I don't owe anyone an explanation, but I am going to keep this true to heart, and I left it on a comment. I don't plan out what I'm doing. I just go with the flow. I let the energy flow. Whatever's there, I'm going to work with. That's just the way it is. I guess it would be better if I plan, but then it takes away from my reality, which is I work Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, 9:30 to 5:30, depending on what time I get in. And I commute, public transportation, and then I come home. And when I come home, yes, I want to unwind. Yes, I want to relax. And sometimes I fight the urge to upload. But I know this challenge is pushing me quite along. And is also forcing me and nudging me to use my sewing machine. Because why pay for something? Why buy something and you do not utilize it? No, ladies and gentlemen, we must utilize what we purchase. Makeup, paint, whatever it is that you invested in, please put it to some good use. Now, let's get started. Let's get started and start to sew, shall we? So I have these scraps that I showcased yesterday, plus a little bit more sitting up here. So I want to use up what's on my desk right now and see what I can come up with. You know, I just want to use these pieces. I'm tired of letting them sit there. I think that makes perfect sense. So let's get to doing this. here we go. I took the scraps that was sitting around, plus grabbed this out of the tin that Miss Brenda got me for my birthday. And this was what's sitting here. This was in my tin, and look what we have today. I tell you, anything goes when you're sewing a crazy quilt. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this. And again, I want to give a shout out to everyone who's engaging, who's talking. You really, definitely, it makes me feel happy that everyone is watching. Thank you so much. Share this out to others who definitely have a bunch of scrappy materials and they think that crazy quilting is not cool. Show them that it is. The mind is your biggest imagination. What you create is endless. And big shout out to Laura. Great. Keep up the good works. Kudos to you for sharing. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Until tomorrow. Bye, everyone.